This home was just purchased by a single mom who was previously renting, working as a teacher for only $411. The best part, her mortgage is now $872 less than her rent was. How did she do it? So this buyer came to me after a year of trying to buy a home. She didn't know where to start, who to talk to. She thought she had to have 20% down. The lender she talked to didn't really explain it to her so that she understood that there were even special programs out there that would help get her into a home. So when she called me, we were able to sit down, really talk about what her story is, what her goal was, what her financial situation was, and really have her meet with these different lenders that do have the special programs that could help her achieve her goal of homeownership. And by her trusting in me, we were able to get her not just a home that she loves that's going to provide so much for her family, but for only $411 down. And guess what? The best part is her mortgage is going to be $872 less than she was paying in rent. The real estate industry continuously produces opportunities and special programs designed to make it easier for you to buy a home. Now, here's the thing. You don't have to be down on your luck to take advantage of these programs. My goal is to introduce you to these options and make you a more informed and empowered buyer. Hi, I'm Mary Harmon Young. Welcome back to my channel, your ultimate guide to navigating the Tuscaloosa real estate market. Here we provide an in-depth analysis, expert advice, the latest trends to help you make informed decisions. Let's dive into some of these programs that I want to share with you today. First, we have the Regions Bank Grant, and it is currently offering a $10,000 grant for first-time homebuyers in the Tuscaloosa County area. Since it's a grant, it is not a second mortgage. It does not have to be repaid. The main requirements, well, you need to earn less than about $66,000 a year. They really want you to have a minimum credit score of 620, and there's no mortgage insurance premium since it's a conventional loan. So if we can negotiate the seller to cover your closing costs, you too could also buy a home for just a $411 as your down payment and all of your closing costs fully covered. Another fantastic option is the Alabama Housing Finance Authority's Step Up program. It's a second mortgage of up to $10,000 that considers household size and the median income for your area. We have probably about 12 different income areas for just the West Alabama area, so it is very, very dependent on that. But this program can be used by both first-time buyers and repeat buyers, and it will work with an FHA, VA, USDA, and even some conventional loans. Even better, you can stack it with other programs to double dip on savings. Veterans, active duty service members, and certain members of the National Guard and Reserves may also qualify for a VA loan, which is 100% financing with no down payment required. There are no income limits or credit score minimums specified, though lenders may have their own criteria. The USDA offers a loan program that requires no down payment for eligible buyers in rural areas. While it's not strictly a down payment assistance program, it does also allow for 100% financing, which can be a significant help. We have some areas within West Alabama that are USDA eligible, but keep in mind they can be anywhere from 20 to about 45 minutes of outside the main Tuscaloosa area. Once we find the right special program or two that fits your needs, we can start searching for your new home. This is where I come in. Negotiating is my forte. My job is to negotiate the purchase price, closing costs, and the terms that benefit you, the buyer. I'll build in contingencies to protect you and your investment, schedule and help coordinate any and all inspections. For example, we don't want to order that termite inspection until we know that the home inspection is okay and there's no health and safety issues, because we don't want you to be paying for any extra inspections that you don't have to have. Then we're going to negotiate allowances to address any issues that we find. I personally am not a big fan of asking the seller to make repairs because we can't choose the contractor. We can't get those warranties in our name, so it's better to negotiate allowances unless it's a big health and safety issue so that you're in control of the different repairs that are done, who does them, how they're done, and you may even want to upgrade from just what it is currently. We also want to ensure that the home is worth what you're going to pay for it. And above all, we're going to wrap it up as stress-free as possible for you as our buyer. Finally, we move to step 3, and that's signing and closing. And I really want you to watch this next video so that you can learn about how to get cash back after closing too. With any luck, we're going to get you a mortgage lower than your rent or as close to your rent as possible to allow you to be a part of the real estate dream of homeownership yourself.